welcome back to Videsh Consults. I hope you guys are doing fine. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Ria, Senior Counselor at Videsh Consults. So coming to today's topic, it's all about work visa in UK after graduation. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. There are plenty of options available for the international students who wants to stay and work after their graduation. To know more details, watch this video till the end. So the first option is graduate visa. From 1st July 2021, international students who have completed an undergraduate degree or master's degree will be able to benefit for these 2 years post-work visa in the UK and 3 years for the PhD students. And good news is that you don't need to be sponsored by an employer to be eligible for this visa. Also, you don't need to have a job when you apply for a post-work visa. Also, there are no conditions on the kind of job you have to do in these 2 years. And also, there is no salary requirement and you kickstart your career. So what are you waiting for? Do contact Videsh Consults. After post-work visa, you have 2 options to apply for skilled work visa or 2-tier visa. But unlike graduate post-work visa, the skilled worker visa have many requirements. The skilled worker require you to have an employment offer with a minimum skill and salary level. But your time with the graduate visa should make it even more easier for you to work towards this job. And also, you can also apply for skilled worker visa in the middle of post-work visa if you meet the requirements of the skilled worker visa. And one most important thing, when I say most important, then listen it carefully. Your post-work visa in these 2 years does not count you towards permanent residence. Please remember this in your mind. So now we have clear idea about the post-work visa. So let's come to the skilled work visa. In skilled work visa, you must have minimum 70 points in the UK visa points test to be eligible. So as I mentioned you about the first thing, you need to have an employment offer for this. Your employer should have a sponsor license and has assigned a certificate of sponsorship to overseas workers. You have to make sure that you gain your points under mandatory points. The first requirement is UK employer must sponsor you. Second requirement is your job needs to be on the skilled worker occupation list. Third is your English language requirement in which you have certain score in your IELTS. So these 3 come under mandatory points. So if you have these 3 points, then you are gonna get 50 points out of 70. So in order to get 20 more points to complete 70 points, you can do something like trainable points in which you have various options. For example, if your job is under shortage occupation list and you are gonna get 20 more points, or if you get a salary of higher than 25k pounds per annum, or at least the going rate for this profession, whichever is higher. So you are going to get 20 more points. So like this, there are so many options. We are also sharing more information regarding table in the description. So if you get more than 70 points, you will be eligible for skilled worker visa and you can stay in the UK for the 5 years depending on your employment contract. And good news is that in these 5 years comes under permanent residency. And after these 5 years, you can apply for British citizenship, which is great, right? So these are some few ways you can work in the UK after graduation as an international student. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, please like, share and subscribe at Videsh Consults. And if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. I would love to answer your all the questions and we will be back with more videos. Tada, bye bye.